In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your LinkedIn URL in just a few simple steps. This process is incredibly useful if you want to make your LinkedIn profile more professional and easier to share, whether it's on a resume, a business card, or social media. By the end of this video, you'll have a shortened, customized LinkedIn URL that's uniquely yours and all within about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to linkedin.com. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL directly, or simply entering LinkedIn in your search bar and clicking on the appropriate result. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, log into your account. You can do this using any of the available options, sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or use your email address and password for access. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep in mind that LinkedIn might prompt you for a verification code that's sent to your registered phone number. Enter the code when prompted to proceed. Now that you're logged in, take your cursor to the upper right corner of the LinkedIn interface and click on your profile picture. This action will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on the View Profile button. Doing so will direct you to your personal profile page where all the information about you is displayed. The next step is to locate and click the Edit Public Profile and URL option. You'll find this on the right side of your profile page. Look for a pencil icon next to this option and click it. Clicking the pencil icon will allow you to make changes to your public profile URL. A text box will appear next to your current LinkedIn URL. In that text box, you have the chance to create a custom URL. When choosing your custom URL, remember to keep it between 3 and 100 characters long. Make sure to avoid using any spaces or special characters, just stick with letters and numbers. Consider using your name or a variation of it for easy memorability and a professional look. After entering your desired URL, the final step is to click the Save button to lock in your changes. This saves your new custom URL and updates your profile accordingly, and that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully shortened your LinkedIn URL, making it more streamlined and professional. Feel free to share this new URL wherever you might need to showcase your LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.